So let's undock this and we'll get this show on the road. Come for a ride with me. So I've got you on like a magnetic mount here, and hopefully you'll be able to see everything okay. Let's get my fob. Let's do this. I don't know if there's any kind of regenerative charging on these bikes. I don't think there is. Still got flashing red. I've got a bit of electric power, I can feel that, but I don't think it's going to last long. We've got the Museum of London being rebuilt on the right hand side. Well, not rebuilt, it's going to move to here. It's being built in the old Smithfield Meat Market. And I could have used one from the docking station here. I can see a couple of electrics. Thanks. Shall I? Is it worth it? Should I just check, see if there's? Let's just check, see if they've got any that are ready to go with a bit more power. I'll pay a bit extra. I should have done this first. Okay, we've got one bike. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's full up. Okay, so I'm going to pay extra now. Oh no. Okay, you have to wait for the fob to cool down from that bike being docked. Just have to wait a couple of seconds. I'll get my key fob ready. So just behind the Old Bailey over there. Goodness knows, this is part of my Holes in London vlog. We get to see this view for not much longer. And we're going to head down there and turn left onto Farringdon Road. So let's get this right. It's going to be much faster now. This is going to be more exciting. There we go. Oh yeah, I can feel the difference already. I've completely forgotten to set the saddle to my usual 6.5. Let's go do that now while we're on a red light. Here we go, I've got the left turn. So he went through the red light, overtaking me. Let's go. part one of the building work on Farringdon Road, just by the side of Holborn Viaduct. Then we've got this two-part turn where we'll pull over to these lights and then cross over to get to the other side of the road. And you know, why wait for a green light or even use the cycle lane? Straight through. Okay, I'm going to stick to the road, I think, because the cycle lane's closed on the other side. I do want to get onto it though. I'll cross over. Because then I'm on the other side, I'm on the cycle lane then. Straight through the road. And another one. These are busy people with busy places to go, things to see, things to do. Alright, straight through the red. Go on. I'm going to just cross over to here. Go slow for the pedestrians. Get round the closed cycle lane. And then back onto the cycle path. Here we go. Oh, it's so good to be on a bike with a full battery though. I'm not in a rush today. Usually I'm scrambling for the next train, but I've got another good half hour yet. Back of the peloton. Oh, red light. Everyone through the red light. There we go. That's helpful for the right turners there. The left turners. And they'll get held at the next traffic lights anyway. Dickhead. You just need one car to turn left from there. Also, pedestrians need to cross as well. I mean, I'm no saint. I do wrong things on bike, but I try to have like a bit of empathy for other road users. I'm the only person waiting at this light. There we go. Chicane. Oh, you do not want to walk in the cycle path. It's a bit tricky staying left here. Okay, well, watch out for the pedestrians because it is a red light. It's a red light, dudes. It's on red, it's on red. Wow, so pedestrians were the interesting factor on that one. They're straight through red. I'll stop commentating on that now. That's getting boring. So we're going to pull to the left on these barriers. Watch out for the pedestrians. Then over Blackfriars Bridge. See if we can get through the barriers. Oh, I love that view. Now this way's a bit boring. Going down upper ground, it's a pretty horrible street. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's kind. Someone said I've dropped my glasses. I think they're my Poundland ones. I've just dropped some glasses. It's alright, I got them from Poundland. So we'll just press on, I think. At least it wasn't anything more valuable like the camera. We're good. We're good? Yeah, we're good. I need to get across because I'm going to go over there. I'll just choose my moment. It is a shed path over there. And I've just missed my gap. Appreciate it. Here we go, after this guy. Here we go. There we go. Right, so there is a cycle path, but it's for the opposite direction. Oh, I'm worried about those glasses now. I think they're my cheapy ones. My burners. Yeah, let's just stick with that. I might have had them on my head, you know.